Hi everybody, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. And in my last video I said I was going to try to make a garland out of these laminated leaves. And so that's what I'm going to try doing today. I'm going to use the smaller punch in my crocodile and make 2 holes. That's too far down. I need to make 2 holes in each leaf. And then I can string them together and see how I like it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a few first, and then I'll string them together and then show you how they look, and if I like it, I'll do a few more. Let's see, we need a yellow. I've got them all coming down this way. I guess we'll keep that. We'll keep it to that. Alright, what else have we got? Let's try this one. This one's getting pretty ratty looking. I wonder if that's getting rottener in there or not. We'll find out. We'll find out next year. Well, we don't have any oak leaves. Let's get some oak leaves. Yeah, let's get some oak leaves. I wonder if poking these holes in them is going to make them rot. Okay, I think we'll start with these and then see how we like it. I might have to actually, I don't know, maybe I should have made the holes bigger. I might have to put like tape around it to keep it from fraying. I could use a big needle too, I suppose. That doesn't look too bad. Okay, so of course I'm already tangled. So I'm going to put a couple more in there and then I'll do the rest off camera. And I want the side showing, I guess the side, I don't know, I guess it doesn't actually really matter which way I do it, but like which way I have this string showing, but I have to do them all the same way. So we're going to go in and out. In this side, or out that side, I guess, I don't know. Back up through here. Oh, don't want. Okay, so we've got that. Let's do an oak leaf. Ooh. I think I do need to do something. Keep this from fraying. Yeah. It's going to get harder and harder. Oh, actually, maybe I want this side. I can't tell. I guess it doesn't matter. They both look similar. Already tangling. Oh my goodness. There. Alright, let's do this one. Okay. Are you seeing this? Alright. Hopefully you were actually seeing what I was doing. I wasn't checking to see if I was on camera. So I'll do one more. I'll do this one. And then I'll do the rest off camera. Whoops. Not as easy as it looks. Oh boy. Okay. All right. Okay guys, so there is my little garland that I made from my laminated leaves. What do you say? Do you like it or do you think it's ugly? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye bye.